Something we've learned from our travels is that quality travel gear really can enhance your trip. And when you're prepping for a trip, it's easy to load up on all kinds of shiny new stuff. But just because something looks great online doesn't mean it'll actually hold up on the road.
So in this video, we're breaking down 10 Amazon travel essentials that are actually worth buying, and a few you should just skip. And if you're watching during Prime Day, there's a good chance that some of these are on sale right now. Let's start with arguably one of the most important pieces of travel gear, and on a day like Prime Day, one of the best ways to save: bags and luggage. Now, you're gonna see a plethora of deeply discounted options in this category, but don't jump at every option you see out there just from some obscure manufacturer. For backpacks, Osprey has a huge product assortment available on Amazon, and their Daylight 26+6 is awesome. It's incredibly lightweight at just under 2 pounds, and at 26 liters, it fits under the seat on most airlines. But if you need a little bit more space, you can quickly unzip it and expand it to 32 liters. And the TomTalk Navigator is a surprisingly solid 40-liter carry-on backpack under $100, but we've seen it go on sale for way less.
Now, in terms of roller luggage, there's a couple of brands I'd be on the lookout for on Amazon specifically. First up, Level 8 cases. Their luminous textured carry-on offers ultra-quiet wheels, an anti-scratch polycarbonate shell, and sleek design that comes in 6 colors. This carry-on is sized really well for airline compliance, and it's one of our favorite budget hard-sided bags. One of our other favorites in this category is made by Travel Pro, and in fact, they have several great options I'd be on the lookout for. This is the Travel Pro Max Light Air. For a soft-sided option, Travel Pro's Max Light 5 is our #1 recommendation. It's super lightweight, under 5.5 pounds, has smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, and it normally retails for under $150. I've also seen crazy deals on this bag's premium older sibling, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite. Whatever you do, don't just get an Amazon Basics bag. These things are cheap, flimsy, not built to last, and they don't have a good warranty. You're much better off spending just a little bit more and trying to catch the Level 8 or Travel Pro options on a deal than you are buying the Amazon Basics suitcase.
When it comes to packing your bags, we're big fans of packing cubes as a way to stay organized and group like items together. But not all packing cubes are created equal. If you're interested in saving space and not just putting more stuff in your bag, compression cubes are the way to go, and we're really excited about the new Trip Cozy compression packing cubes by Epica. Epica is the #1 travel adapter brand on Amazon, trusted by millions of travelers, and we've personally carried their adapters to 20+ countries. But they've been expanding into smart minimalist travel gear like packing cubes, and the new Trip Cozy collection is very impressive. The double layer construction keeps its shape even when they're empty, so packing feels neat and structured instead of floppy and chaotic. And the dual zipper built-in compression system allows you to shrink what you've packed to nearly half the volume, which helps you maximize space in your suitcase. There are several quality of life features as well. There's grab handles, a mesh panel that lets you instantly see what's inside without unzipping everything, and the zippers are color coded so you don't get them mixed up. They're durable enough to double as drawer organizers so you can unpack without the mess, and the materials are water resistant and antibacterial so they'll hold up even in rough conditions. The 4-piece and the 6-piece set are available in 4 color options. You're seeing the beige set here, and for what you're getting, it's one of the best full compression cube sets out there under $50.
Now, while we're on the topic of travel gear that actually makes life easier, let's talk adapters. This is the TA105 Pro Universal Travel Adapter, also from Epica. It's an all-in-one charging solution that works in over 200 destinations across North America, Europe, the UK, Asia, Australia, and more. You can charge up to 6 devices at once with 3 USB-C, 2 USB-A, and of course, AC power. And with 70-watt fast charging capabilities, your phone or laptop will charge significantly faster, which is gonna save you time. You can find links to both the Trip Cozy Cubes and the TA105 Pro adapter down below, along with a special discount on top of Prime Day deals just for Away Together viewers. Big thanks to Epica for sponsoring today's video. Now, a noteworthy shift this year is how serious airlines have gotten about passengers traveling with lithium-ion batteries and power banks. Regulations are getting quite strict on this due to fire risk concerns. Now, we've recommended a ton of power banks on this channel like Anchor and Nightcore, and personally, I'm still a big fan of those. But one innovation I'm very excited about is solid-state power banks. There aren't a ton of options out there, but this one from Kushu is pretty awesome. It charges at a lower temperature, resists punctures, overheating, and spontaneous ignition. It weighs just 5 ounces, and it's certified for air travel.
In regards to other tech you'll want on the plane, nothing beats a good set of noise-canceling headphones because they really do make flights more comfortable. Time after time, we've recommended Sony's noise-canceling over-ears, and right now would be a great time to snag a pair at a deep discount. Here's why. They just dropped their newest model, and they have a pattern of deeply discounting the older generation during promotional periods. I've seen discounts of $100 to $150 off. They're still going to provide excellent sound quality and premium comfort for your flights.
Another really useful piece of travel tech we've seen go on deep sale is the Anker MagGo 3-in-1 portable charging station. This thing is super compact and can fast charge all your MagSafe compatible devices, your phone, watch, and AirPods. It's a great packable alternative to charging stands and way better than packing multiple charging bricks and needing 3 ports to charge everything every night. Nobody likes a plug hog. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button so that YouTube will know to suggest it to other travelers like you. Thanks.
Let's talk about 3 underrated items that don't always make the flashy gear list, but trust us, they make a huge difference when you're actually on the road. These are the kinds of products that solve the little annoyances you didn't know you have until you have them. Have you ever had your water bottle explode all over you on the plane? If so, it's probably because you were using a water bottle with a straw. Stanleys, Hydro Jugs, all very popular, all very wrong choices for your travels.
For multiple reasons.
We personally like the Owala water bottle if you're gonna carry an insulated bottle on your trip. You can just remove the straw and use the gulp feature. If you want something less bulky, you can always check out a collapsible water bottle. Just look for something that's leak proof. Another very popular item in the travel community is the Hero Clip. This is a carabiner that rotates so that you can use it to hang your toiletry bag, purse, backpack, whatever you need, basically anywhere. It's one of those simple items that you don't think you need until you have it, and then you realize how useful it is. Way more helpful than any other standard carabiner or strap. Another cool option that we've recently found that's similar to the Hero Clip is the Orbit Key V2 clip. It's another clip carabiner, but instead of rotating like the Hero Clip, it has a quick release magnetic key ring. Great for things you want quick access to like keys, or you could use this to hang up a toiletry bag that maybe doesn't have a hook.
Traditional belts with metal buckles can be a real pain when going through the TSA, even if you have TSA pre-check, because they set off the metal detectors and they're gonna slow you down every time. A recent update I've made to my travel day wardrobe is switching my belt to this elastic travel belt. These are metal free, super comfortable on long flights, and give just enough stretch so you're not constantly adjusting them. Plus, they let you breeze through security without unbuckling. It's a simple upgrade that just makes the airport a little bit less stressful. Most of these Amazon travel essentials are pretty exciting, but some of the gear that makes the biggest difference is not exciting at all. So check out this video to see 17 boring travel essentials we take with us on every trip. Thanks for watching. Happy travels.